Hi guys, today me and my friends are going to Roosevelt Island Tramway and I'm super excited. Since I have landed to New York, I have always been wanting to go there because it's a super amazing place and I can see the whole city lights through that tramway and I'm very excited and I'm gonna show you guys in this whole video how we got there and how we booked our tickets and the place. You're gonna love it. I hope you love it and enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love with these tulips. It's all around New York City right now. I think it's just a seasonal thing. And we finally found a parking space near the tramway station. I just love the city vibe already. It's so nice, and especially at night, it's just so beautiful. Those who are trying to find out where is Roosevelt Island Tramway, you have to come to 60th Street or type Tramway Plaza Station, and it's just on the corner of 60th Street right here. So now we're entering through this elevator. We have Kritika. Hi.
Hello guys.
How are you feeling?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too. What about you? Oh, he's busy with his mom right now because India calling time. Morning in India. So there are two locations where the tram goes to, I think. There's one tram going to the south and the other way is north. And we're gonna enter from here. The tram is here, guys. I'm so excited. I think these are the people coming from the other way. They're gonna drop here and the tram's gonna take us this time. So excited. Exit is from the other side. We're gonna enter from here when people exit. And guess it's about to open. Oh my god, it's open finally. I'm gonna sit here.
Hello there, are you there? And welcome to America.
Thank you.
Please come here, and you would like to visit here. You are one of the best.
This man here is supposed to control and he's gonna take us to the whole trip. It started finally. I'm so happy. Gonna go back from the tram again from where we came. Entrance is that way.
हम लोग 10 मिनट बैठ के वहाँ पे
अच्छा ये गाड़ी जाएगी कि नहीं
जाएगी I hope जाएगी. I guess this is the last tramway. Now we are going to कहाँ जा रहे हम? Mr. Lakshay.
Times Square.
कहाँ जा रहे कृतिका? On Kritika's request, we are going to Times Square. So we are going back home now. It's 2 p.m. 2 a.m. What am I saying? I've gone crazy in this bling bling of the city. But it was so crazy. I had so much fun. Until next time, bye bye.